like to welcome our last speaker, Mr. Huub. Mr. Huub is a key account manager at Brunel. He is one of the initiators of the Brunel postgraduate hydrogen program for the Netherlands and internationally. From his field, he saw the future demand for specialists with hydrogen expertise. Together with a new energy coalition, they developed the first 8 months postgraduate program to give specialist knowledge and expertise for the hydrogen value chain. Mr. Huub, welcome.
Good morning, everybody. Glad to be here. Thank you for all the invites to be here and to tell something about what we are doing from the Brunel side. We focus on workforce, on specialists, on people who have to do the jobs. Conventional energy, but also in the hydrogen part of it. And when we say we want to connect hydrogen specialists to pioneering projects, that is our goal for the next future, for the next couple of years. Our introduction, a small story about Brunel. We are almost 50 years. We started in the Netherlands, and after that, in 1997, we came to the stock exchange in the Netherlands, and now we are 2021. And we say, okay, we involved in the renewable sector, we involved in the conventional sector, but we also in mining and global mobility. And then we say we have a global network. So that's why we're here. You see it on the map, Kuwait. We have an office over here. We have our local people over here. Rakesh will show you some information that we do. It's all about the collaboration with each other and collaboration in those countries where we are. And that's the strong thing we like to do. And we say, okay, we have the plans, we want to do it, other companies, other energy companies, and we are the facilitators of the human capital side, the education side of those plans. And that's our global solution. So what we do is project and consulting solutions. We help our clients, our partners, to do the next step. Our workforce solutions, helping the specialists do those pioneer projects. And last but not least, our global mobility solutions. If we work all around the world, we need to have a good global mobility solutions. We know what it's doing all over the world. To give a slight introduction, my colleague Rakesh from Brunel, Kuwait. He will give some 3 slides about his presentation, because what we want to say is we are in those countries to help. We are not from the Netherlands, yes, we started there, but we are all over the world. Rakesh, for you, some words?
Thank you, Huub. Yeah, to begin with, we started our operations here in 2009 with our partners Independent Trading Group. And ever since, in all the verticals, like in conventional energy, the upstream, midstream, downstream power projects, water projects, in renewable energies, we have contributed a lot with our partners. We have listed out some of the partners here. While you've changed this, okay. These are some of the clients that we would want to certainly, and the projects that we have executed here. Right, we have built some strategic assets for KOCs, KNPCs, KIPIC. We have partnered with companies for the renewable energy. As you can see, with Petrofac, most of the projects, we've had a strong association with such companies, building up, executing projects here. Do we have any other slides? Okay. So partnering with Brunel Kuwait, these are some of the benefits that, of course, are there. But then, as in the previous slide, we have seen some solutions and services that we provide. We want to emphasize more on the workforce solutions, of course, wherein, the contract hire, the recruitment service, and primarily into executive search business, where we support with our expertise and the database that we have. We help our partners find the executives, like the vice presidents, the directors for their projects. And of course, with We also carry out staff secondments and payrolling services. We also undertake training courses, training for the crew throughout the project phase, and also for the executive group, like for managers and above, with coaching and mentoring. In terms of global mobility too, I just want to pick up a project that we have with Qatar Energy in Qatar, where we take care of their global mobility. We have Kuwait here, for example. Like we have a lot of other countries where we serve. So the global mobility solutions are also taken care by Brunel. Yeah. So that was it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rakesh. This is what we want to do. We want to collaborate on local scale. We think global, act local. And that's where we started in the Netherlands with our postgraduate program together with New Energy Business School, just about hydrogen. What is the next step? What do the specialists here in the room, at the university, but out in the field, have to know about hydrogen to do those fantastic projects we already see in the presentations and the projects that are coming? There is a small video about our postgraduate program with some sounds in the background. We will share it afterwards, but it is an introduction about what is our program and where did it help new specialists to do the next step. One of the key teachers.
This is a story about the future vanguard of the energy transition.
I truly believe that hydrogen closes the gap, and I want to be a part of that.
It's the future of our planet.
And you are a part of that future.
Because these people are about to become hydrogen experts.
We need to get the message across, the importance of molecules like hydrogen.
In 9 months' time, 24 students will take part in the world's first hydrogen postgraduate study. The training course is an initiative of Brunel, which is fully committed to the energy transition.
By doing this specific project, this program, we are contributing towards a more renewable future.
It's almost like a gift to the Netherlands, because people will be educated, and those people will educate other people, and this we get a lift.
But to succeed, we need people from all kinds of backgrounds and skills.
You will need to have the finance people for a project, you will need to have the legal people, and you will have to have the engineers for the technical skills.
The students learn everything they need to know to be at the forefront of the energy transition. And to be at the forefront, you need to learn from the best.
We are keen to support Brunel and EDI in this training course.
24 students ready to take our country and industry by storm. They're ready to go. Are you?
To give a small introduction about it. And these are the last program. So we started already. We started during the European Hydrogen Week, and we said to each other, okay, how is it possible to educate people, educate specialists for the next version of itself? And we started in 2021 with a Dutch version, and also in 2022 with a Dutch version and with an international one. And these are companies that are joined our course. What you see in the right corner are the energy companies, but also from the government, and also from the life science part of it. Like Prisma Copina, they said, yeah, we need a big supply of energy. So we need a big supply of maybe hydrogen in the future. And what is hydrogen then? And what is you want to learn, you want to discuss with everybody? And that's all about the hydrogen value chain. With the hydrogen value chain, we saw that in other presentations, isn't one thing on its own. It's part of the energy market concept. So the most important thing is, what is the role of hydrogen, and that's the hydrogen value chain, in the energy market? And how does this work on the side of the value chain, on production, on transport, the storage of hydrogen, and therefore the use of it? So the mobility, the industry sector, heat and power, and altogether the system integration. And that hydrogen value chain that's the most important thing there is. So when we speak about hydrogen valleys, it's all about that chain. You have to start from production till the end of the use of it, with everything between us, and to be side by side in those projects. And that's why what we learn, this is the curriculum, what we learn during this postgraduate program. And it's a target group, so there are employees from Brunel. We say to our employees, we have 12,000 employees worldwide. Okay, you can join this course and help the partners of us, the clients of us for the near future, but also for relations. We say no, we don't do it on our own, but the relations of us, partners of us can join too. With a bachelor or a university degree, just to have a format for it. With technical business development, are you in this energy sector, or a legal degree? Because there are also the laws we need to know, and there will be new laws in the hydrogen part of it, so they have to know what's going on technically. At least 5 years of work experience. Why? We need some examples of people who are already working in the hydrogen or in the industry sector to do the next step, to collaborate with everybody in those classes. And then we say, within Brunel, we have the T-shaped professional. And then somebody has some hard skills, some soft skills, you see it horizontal, and then we say we make the future of the vertical one with some hard skills in hydrogen and some soft skills in hydrogen. And these are the parts that we focused on. You can read it. These are all the lectures that you will give. And it is all about the whole value chain. What is going on? What do we need to know? Am I a specialist in electrolyzer? No, you are an expert in a hydrogen value chain. That's the focus. These are our core teachers. So Earl Hood here has a PhD in chemical engineering from the TU Delft, and it's really good on the engineering part of it. And Manfred Hafner, focusing on global energy markets, is one of the professors from the Tom Hopkinson University, and they both can do it online very, very good. It is in class, it is online, but they will interact a lot, and that helps a lot. They will always get a smile, like on the pictures. When did we start? Because we want to start. So that's why I focus this also in this presentation. Because we say, okay, we don't wait till the projects are coming, we don't wait on the companies. No, we start today. We started yesterday, 2 years ago. So the next class, and there are some places, we'll start the 9th of November. Here are the details, you can read them. If you have some information, just give me a call or go to me during the lunch or go to our hydrogen at Brunel. To summarize, it's all about, and it's standing there, the entire value chain of hydrogen. There it will all start. And in this course, you will help the financial market, the policy, the technology, and after all, it's all online, it's all recorded, we know how this works, and you can watch it back, and that helps a lot. The link will share with you afterwards, and I want to thank you very much for your attention.